Hello everyone. Myself Dr. Rishmi S. working as Associate Professor and Research Supervisor in the PG and Research Department of English, MES Asmabi College, Kodingalur, Thrissur, Kerala. This is my 13th year of service at MES Asmabi College. I qualified MA English from the University of Calicut in the year 2007 with 5th rank. Afterwards, I pursued MPhil degree from Kannur University and qualified MPhil degree in the year 2009. In the same year, I qualified National Eligibility Test along with JRF. And afterwards, in the year 2012, I entered the service at MES Asmabi College as a permanent faculty. This college is affiliated to the University of Calicut. From that point of time onwards, I started teaching students at UG and PG level. It was in the year 2014 that I registered for PhD from the University of Calicut in the generalized topic Gender and Diaspora. I submitted my PhD thesis in the year 2020 in the specialized topic Selected Women Diasporic Writings. The University of Calicut awarded PhD degree to me in the year 2021. And this is in fact a proud moment in my life because all the achievements that came later has some kind of resonances with this PhD degree. I started researching on various articles and my areas of specialization became diverse afterwards. I took a keen interest in oceanic literature, culinary studies, ecological studies, literary theory, post-colonialism, diaspora, refugee literature, medical humanities, and so on. In the year 2025, the University of Calicut conferred research guideship for me, and right now, 2 PhD research scholars are registered under my guidance. Even now, I would like to know more about various topics. Let me share some of my academic interest. This is actually a very important reflection to my career. I wrote around 38 articles in various prestigious national and international peer-reviewed journals. There are 6 edited books to my credit on various topics like children's literature, Dalit literature, cultural studies, and 1 book is a prescribed one by the University of Calicut for the 2nd semester BCom honors students. I acted as a resource person in various faculty development programs, webinars, seminars, conferences, symposiums, and research workshops organized within Kerala and even outside. There was a close acquaintance with me with the Ceuta University, Algeria, when my article was selected by the Actress Journal. And later, I got the opportunity to become the associate editor as well as the reviewer of Actress Journal. This is an international peer-reviewed journal. I also got the opportunity to address the doctoral students of the same university, that is Ceuta University, Algeria. Very recently, in the month February 2026, I was shortlisted by ICSSR Major Research Project on particularly vulnerable tribes of India. At the college level, I worked under various responsibilities like the Nodal Officer of All India Survey on Higher Education, SCST cell liaison officer, the joint member of admission committee, the manuscript magazine editor, NAC attribute 4 head, to pick out among the others. It is in this way that I am very passionate to continue my academic and research journey, because I believe that only when a teacher is much oriented in academics and research, she could motivate the students, she could inspire the students who are the real researchers and academicians of tomorrow. Thank you.